Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Bitget crypto trading platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, tap on the Get Started button. You will now be able to create your new account. You can use your email address or your phone number based on your desire. Type in your preferred email address within the given box and then enter a password that you would like to set for your account. Once you have typed in your password, you can also enter a referral code if you wish, which is optional. Then tap on the checkbox to agree with the terms and conditions, and now tap on the Create Account button. You will now need to solve a small CAPTCHA. After you have completed the puzzle, you will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check your email, and you will find your verification code. After entering this code, you will be allowed to enable the fingerprint verification if you wish. Tap on the Enable button and provide your biometrics. And now your account has successfully been created. You can immediately verify your account or close this for now and do this at another time. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Bitget crypto trading platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.